Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And I'm really happy this week because we have won in our office. We've won for the first time, actually, in my office, a case successfully waiving the Trump travel ban. All right. And so you might remember that in 2017, after Trump was inaugurated, really within his first few weeks of presidency, he came out with travel bans, all right? And there are 7 Muslim majority countries that have been banned or severely restricted on their ability to get visas and green cards here in the United States. Well, after some lawsuits were filed against the travel bans, and after the Supreme Court has weighed in on it, there has been a waiver, and there's a way to get a waiver of the travel ban. In my office, finally, after basically, that was all happened in 2017, and now I'm filming this 2 years later in 2019, and now, it takes time for a petition to get approved, it takes time for the consular process to happen, and then it takes time for the waiver to get decided. And so now this is our very first case that we filed after that travel ban, and in spite of it, and we got that thing approved. And so I just want to let you know that it is possible. It's not easy. They take a long time, but it is possible to waive the travel ban. When you do that type of waiver, you've got to show 3 things, and we successfully showed 3 things in this particular case, all right? Thing number 1, we've got to show that there would be undue hardship, all right? Typically undue hardship to not just the applicant, but to their family members, to their friends here in the United States, if this petition were denied, all right? In our case, there was a U.S. citizen child that wanted his mom here in the U.S. with him, all right? And so, heck, that was pretty good undue hardship, all right? That in itself isn't likely enough, but whatever hardship you've got to show, you put it together as strong as possible. The second element for a Trump travel ban waiver is you've got to show that your entry into the United States would be, quote unquote, in the public interest or in the national interest, all right? And so, whatever reasons that we can show that why you would be benefiting and contributing and being a positive contribution to the community here in the United States. Like, let's put all that on, all right? And then the third thing we got to show is that you do not pose a risk to U.S. national security. You're not a threat to U.S. public safety or U.S. national security, all right? So 1, undue hardship. 2, a contribution to society, all right, that it's in the national interest to get you in. And 3, that you're no threat to national security. If you can show all 3 of those elements, then you've got a shot at waiving the Trump travel ban, despite the ban that is still in effect, and then getting a visa or a green card to allow yourself to enter the United States. If you have questions about this, please contact our office. Now that we've successfully handled this case, we do know how to do it, and we'd love to walk you through that process or give you advice about it, all right? So thank you very much for watching this. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.